allow me to share a little part of our heaven in Caprivi. And when I say our heaven, Durukoro has always been a very, very, very special place for both me and Malinki. But come with as we do a video review of Durukoro. And as you come in to this reception area, this is the view that awaits you. Sure. Baby Jane,
Yes.
can you see this smile on my face? Nee?
Yeah.
This is always when I come to Ndurukoro. And I'm going to do a full review of Ndurukoro, because in the whole of the Caprivi, I promise you Ndurukoro is there on top of our most favorite campsites and places to stay. Because it's not just about the place. Nee? Leon and Eddie are some of the guys in the Caprivi with the biggest hearts. And it's like when you come here, you come visit family.
My heart.
Yeah, it's like Malinki's heart. It's like you come visit family. But come with me on a walkthrough of Ndurukoro. Let me
Show
review.
them the Braaiwood.
Yeah, so I'm going to show them now, baby. But let's go do a walkthrough, man. Man. Sure, but check this trees. This is the one thing of Ndurukoro. And there's the, what's a pow? A pow. What's a pow? A peacock, not a pow. A peacock. And beware of the thorns. Maar kykie, if you think you don't have enough braaiwood, nee, that goes with all the roosters. Now, if there's so much roosters, it means one thing. There's a lot of wood to braai. Masahara. Now that is a big braai vleis. So they have charlottes here. I think 6 charlottes, Malinki. But we're not into the charlotte game. I'm going to show you the campsite
We
now.
are, maar ons kan.
Yeah. Now we'll take charlottes if we get offered charlottes.
We love white linen.
Yeah, but we love white linen. So this is one of the private gardens of the gardens, not
You
gardens.
don't have to use all your arms.
Yeah, I'm trying to use up all my R's. So this is one of the charlottes. They are letting out. So you get your braaiwood for free. And then this is your little stoopie and your wash up, your basin. And let's see if we can peek in here maybe. I'm going to ask Leon to open up
Maybe
one.
there's someone inside. But
No, baby. And your own private jetty and your private little lawn.
And there's crocodiles.
There's big crocodiles. Don't swim. So let's go check out the campsite, baby. Sure. Beautiful, beautiful. Campsite Ngandu. So there's somebody standing on my campsite. I always use number 1. So beautiful, beautiful Ngandu. Number 1. So there's 6 campsites and all of them private. So you can see there's privacy. This one is under construction. That's the one nice thing about Ndurukoro. These guys are always renovating. They are always making it nice. So, Otter, Timbugu. This is the Otter campsite. This is beautiful, baby. Own little lawn. Your own little viewing deck. Johnny, Briar. And again, braaiwood. And the fire's already packed for you.
Free.
For free, baby. And then you get this little viewing deck overlooking the river. My broer, and hier is tiervis. But how serene is this, baby Jane, huh? You think we should go show them the beautiful ablutions?
Yep.
Let's go. And this is Mburu, campsite number 4 again. Lush green lawns with your own little viewing deck, your braai, firewood. And this one is big enough if you're a couple of friends to share this one. But let's go check out the ablutions. Or the ammunition blocks where die skote klap by hierdie plek. Rpa! the house of Rpa. Sorry, baby. But the one thing is just like trees, 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 lush green gardens. Gardens, I'm not allowed to use all my R's. So, again, unbelievable beautiful. And this is the one thing I still remember. There you can do your laundry. But this, hey, look at that sexy man. This is a mirror for the ladies. If you want to do your makeup in the morning, it's all lit up. Then the thrones, beautiful, beautiful. And then the showers, spacious, spacious, wet floor, showers with the shower coming. It's like standing in a rainwater. But just check this out. Same for the women. But the one thing is always the plants and the decor. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is the ammunition blocks. And again, wash up for your dishes. And if you exit on this side, again, beautiful green, green, lush lawns. Man, this is and a whole hok full of peacocks. En jy braai! Ja! Ja! Laughing for my own card jokes. But anyways, let's go show you the restaurant part. So I was looking for my linky. Where's my linky? Where's my linky? I'm gonna try and zoom. Where's my linky? Check, check. Hello, baby. 5 minutes in a place is already doing gardening. Yeah, baby Jane, baby Jane. So yeah, let's go check out the restaurant and bar area. Right, so this is one of those tented chalets. Again, check this out. Wood already packed in the drum. Lekker firewood stacked there for your use. A nice little boma with your own garden and a beautiful, beautiful tented chalet. Let's see if it's open so I can show you. It's open, man. Check this tented chalet. Now, if this does not look like safari, moerse moer lekker safari. Man, this is where you sit, and this is your view. So this is the bar area. Let's go check this out. This is where all the magic happens. Some lekker seating, beautiful, beautiful pool. But the view from here is, it's one of those. You have to come here and you have to come experience the magic of the Kavango. The Kavango River is just unbelievable. So there's some tree houses. But check here, Kavango River for miles and miles and miles and miles. Miles and miles. Can you imagine sitting here the whole day, just chilling? And this is the bar. So, if you come to Ndurukoro, please bring a Free State and a Springbok rugby jersey. And check who's hanging here now for a long time. Trans-Africa, papa. Trans-Africa featuring. So, Hi Eddie, jy het 'n lekker plek hier, my broer. And this is the kitchen where the magic happens. This is Master Chef, aka Master of Disaster, King of the Ring. And they have prepared us something. Eddie, ek wil net so vinnig 'n sneak peek daarvan. A sneak peek. That bush oven that I showed you, the Durukoro oven. This, for how long was this in there, Eddie?
Hour and a half, 2 hours.
2 hours in the drum oven, eh?
Yes. In drum oven.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
Just brown it now.
And that bread, my broer. Sure. And Malinki doing her thing, just taking beautiful pictures. Hi, baby. This feels like home. Yeah, just play here, man. Just play here. Just play here. And there's Gala. And Johnny Wagon. Okay, Guinea. This is as old school bread as you get. In hulle Durukoro oond. So this is the Durukoro oven. So it works like this. Now the oven is closed. Now the oven is open. But check this bread. We're gonna cut it now. I'll show you. Malinki, this looks kimunati kaufela. Yeah, so Malinki said, check the flowers. More. And if you don't have a braai grit, they've got a whole collection of braai grits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1 for free.
7 braai grits. You can come pick a braai grit for free at Durukoro. Yeah. Now this is the breads that came out of the Durukoro drum oven. My broer, I can tell you it's not the first time that these guys bake a bread in that drum. Malinki. Yeah. Now this is the final. Chicken, village chicken. Shame this thing ran in the road this morning and now we're eating it. Grappie, sweet potatoes, beetroot, and this Johnny's. Now if your butter doesn't melt like this in your bread, you're eating at the wrong place, my broer. And to eat with a view like this. Imagine.
And ginger beer.
Bon appetit, baby. So let me tell you, this place is exceptional popular. And after this video, it's going to be even more. So if you ever plan a Caprivi trip, please add Durukoro. And you can thank me later, but add Durukoro on your itinerary. Because this is just one of those places where you come and you book for 1 day and you stay 2 or 3 days. It's really just one of those places. Leon and Eddie, the warm hearts of these people. When you leave here, you come as a client, you leave as family. Really trust me on that one. Arrivare.